how many different ways can you lay down your color tiles on that 4x4 grid that fit this room? How many different possible arrangements are there? Your kids can answer this question. They will do it by trial and error. Perfect. That's great. They can get into this. Now suppose you start applying these what if nots. Now you say, okay, you've gotten this answer for this grid using this rule. What if it's a 3x3 grid? How does your answer change? What if it's an n by n grid? Can you come up with the answer for a general n by n grid? What if you did a 4x6 grid or something? You moved off the square and into the rectangle. How does it change? What if you said you varied the number of sets and number of colors? So you did, rather than 4 sets of 4 colors, you did 2 sets of 8 colors, right? Then how many different possible arrangements are there if you're still using this rule? What if you made it so that the corners can touch instead of just being adjacent or along a full edge? Then how many different arrangements can you get on the board? So you've now just we started with a very simple game, which is fun already. And then by doing this method of listing the attributes and teasing apart the game with your what if nots, you've just opened up
endless possibilities. Yeah.
You've opened up a lot of investigation and combinatorics and permutations that you don't even have to have high-powered math for. A lot of this you can do just by playing around with the arrangements. But once the kids start thinking about how to use their what if not questions to ask further questions, it'll be a snowball effect for them. And they will come up with question after question after question, and they'll be able to really deepen into this game, both by answering interesting questions, for example, how many different ways can you arrange the tiles this way, but also by coming up with different variations of the game that are fun for them and they're going to want to play because they made that game.